Okay, let's take a look at how to actually run the predictions. If you look at the top of the menu, of course, you've updated the roster. You certainly performed the schedule, so the schedule's in the database. You selected the appropriate weighting file, and of course, that weighting file is shown here as a default. You've parsed all of the appropriate data, the whole regular season, the team standings, the spreads, and so on. What you have to do is set the game day. So let's say it was January 25th. You double click on the 25th. The 25th will show down here. That tells you that it's accepted it. And up here it says set the game date. It will be defaulted up here on the left, and it will remember that date in between sessions until you change it again. So once you have the game day and you've done all the other parsing, you would come over here. It says run predictions, and you would hit all players. And then the computer will take a few moments, and it will literally run the report, and you'll see the report will come up. If you had spreads, it would be showing here on the report. And then that's it. I mean, remember I've talked about this on the reports. The highlighted, shadowed teams would be your highest team with the highest prediction of points. With, for example, in this case, the 17. That would be the delta, the difference between the home team and the away team. And again, well, you have some other information. But anyway, that's how you would set up the game day and then run the predictions. Okay.